Hey, thanks for asking for that one. I'd have to rehearse it. I have a problem because I have over 120 songs that are released, and like all the words just don't fit in my brain. I promise I'm not on the pot. And I will flail under these lights that seep down from the bitter sky tonight. And I will kick and beat my wrists together, feel an ocean breathing waves, feel them licking at my face. Ceilings don't exist and there's no floors beneath me. If I were king of this night, would you become my queen? And I hope your majesty that you like your position, while I'll do everything I can to keep you by my side. And I stare up through the darkness, find us a kingdom, just kiss me before I go. I'll have to walk 1,000 miles
The original.
just to find the ground deserving of your feet. You could throw me down and walk on me, and I just look on through my love and through the haze. And I hope your majesty that you like your position, while I'll do everything I can to keep you by my side. When I stare up through the darkness, find us a kingdom, just kiss me before I go. The nightingales are singing out